Right, let's start. So we will continue, chapter 2. So we are currently studying chapter 2. So chapter 1 was really brief and short, and chapter 2 is about some basic stuff. And last time we studied something called a statistics, which is a summary, a particular type of summary of some data sets. And now, let's study this percentile. So, 100p percentile, is some data that we have among many data, and that data should satisfy these two properties. So here we basically pick up a particular ranked data item. So we want to pick up maybe 10th smallest data or 10th largest data. Okay, so that way we consider this kind of rank, but we consider it as a relative number, like a top 10% of the data, not just a 10th ranked. Okay, or 15% ranked data, and so on. So more rigorously, we defined this percentile as the data that we have satisfying these two. So if p was 0.8, and then simply 100p is meaning 80%, right? And then we want to have 80% percentile, and then the first thing that we do is to sort them in an increasing order from the smallest to largest, and then it has to satisfy these two. And so so suppose we have 100 data items, okay, and then 80% percentile is we just sort them out. Suppose we have a data from 1 through 100, which is a kind of nice data set starting from 1 to all the way through 100. And then 80% percentile is what? 80 or 81, right? So among these two, it's a little bit tricky, right? So let's study those exact definition. So we have to satisfy these two. So in this case, if we have 100 data item, and then we at least 80 number of data items should be less than the one that we picked up as this 80% percentile, and then 20% of the 20% times n, which is 20 data items, should be greater than or equal to the one that we picked up. Okay, so in this case, if we picked up a number 80, and then how many data items that satisfies these conditions? 1 through 80, right? So we have an 80, right? And then what about these? What about the number that satisfies this? Greater than or equal to it? In that case, how many data items do we have? Does it include 80 or not? So should it be starting from 81 through 100, or can it start with the 80? So is it, the question is it 81 through 100 or 80 through 100? Suppose we picked up this 80, right? And then, we are okay with the number that is equal to it. So we can start with an 80. And then what is the number? So this is the case that satisfies the second one. And then what is the total number of it?